Country CEO in the house, man. Look, rainy day. Got some game for you. Thought I'd lay out to you, man. Got some, one of the trucks, the 2013 antifreeze was, we were losing antifreeze, right? We had a little leak, and so we fixed the leak, but then we were still losing antifreeze somewhere, right? So the driver told me that, he after 3 or 4 days, the buzzer's coming on and he'll top it off, and this had happened a couple of times. So I just so happened to get in the truck Saturday to go out on a job, and guess what? It happened to me. The buzzer came on, saying low coolant and all that, and I knew I had topped it off myself to the snout, right? All the way to the top. Probably overfilled it. So this undoubtedly told me, okay, yeah, we got a problem somewhere. Antifreeze is going somewhere. So took it to the mechanic the weekend, and he checked anything for leaks, and he didn't find any leaks. So lo and behold, EGR cooler, where that antifreeze circulates through there, there's been a malfunction with that part. And so what is happening is it's wide open, and it's allowing the antifreeze on the inside to go into the exhaust system. And that's where we're losing the antifreeze at. I'm saying this to you so you'll know what to look for when this kind of thing happens. Your exhaust pipe at the top will be real white. And you can look up there and see that, it got a little whiteness to it. Now, don't get me wrong, but it was a little bit more whiter than usual, which symbolizes that you got antifreeze being blown out of the exhaust system, which means it's getting in the exhaust system somewhere. So what we found is the EGR cooler, okay? So I'm headed now. I was going to take it to the shop, but then I thought, talk to the shop. It's another nugget for you. Sometimes the shop can't get to it for a few days, right? We're already on a rainy week. It's rain Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. So I don't want the truck sitting all week before they could even take a look at it. And I know work is going to kick back off Thursday when the sun shines, probably Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? And I don't need to miss that after a slow start to the week. So I decided to take it to another guy that I knew in Baton Rouge, good mechanic, and just see could he go ahead and change it out for me, because my regular guy, he actually has his own truck, and he's trying to put a motor in his truck right now. So my thinking and rationale, and I want you to hear me good on this, is that it's not the parts that kill you, it's the downtime. All right? And so my thinking always goes to the mode of, how can I get my truck back up the quickest? I don't care if it costs $1,500 or $1,000 more, perhaps to even fix it. If this guy over here can do it, if he can get me back up, well, good. Downtime will kill you. It's not the breakdowns, it's the downtime. So your thinking needs to not always be how and where I can get it done the cheapest, but your thinking should be, how can I get it up also the quickest? So that was my thinking. So I took it to this guy Monday evening. He got it off yesterday evening, which was a Tuesday. Called me this morning, told me, got it off, but he was going to need me to come get it and take it and get the part because he was tied up with another truck at the moment. So I headed down. Of course, I started making the calls. Lo and behold, finds out Mac dealership don't have it. Not only do my Mac dealership locally don't have it, these rascals, they're telling me that the Mac manufacturer Mac is out. Now that's a problem. So I've gotten on the horn trying to see, can I find an aftermarket, or there's another Mac dealership 50 miles towards Lafayette, Louisiana. There's another one in New Orleans, Louisiana. They're not all on the same network. So I had to call some of these other ones to see that they have it, because they don't all function on the same system. And lo and behold, thank God, the one in Lafayette, which is about 50 miles away, has it. So here's the nugget. Get back up quick as possible. Even if it costs you a little bit more money to get up, get back up. That's the key. It's not the breakdowns that kill you, it's the downtime. So my thinking is, okay, I need to get what I can get to get this truck back up. All right, so now look what I got to do. had some other things planned this morning, but now I got to make a 50, 60 mile, well, 100-something mile round trip. Go get this part, bring it back to the mechanic so he can put this thing back together. And my hope is that he's going to have it ready this evening so I can be ready to roll in the morning. That's my goal. Because right now it's like 8:30 in the morning. All right, I'll run over there and back. I should be back in Baton Rouge about 10 o'clock, 10:30 to give him the part, right? So that's my goal. So I'm just trying to drop this little nugget on you. This is more game, right? So look, if this video has been valuable to you so far, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, right? Share this video about more game and how to handle certain situations in the dump truck business, right? So look, this ain't gonna be all. I'm headed now to pick up the part. I'm gonna show you when I get the new one and all that good stuff. And I just want to share this with you, right? So look, be cool. I'll be back. All right, YouTube. Back here, the picture you just saw, that's the picture of the old EGR cooler. All right, so I made it over here and I've acquired the new reman, whatever, EGR cooler. I think it's a reman. And I'm just thank God to have it, as I told you earlier, that they're actually out at the manufacturer, right? So luckily for me, this is why you got to always be praying, man, too, because God to show you favor just in situations like this, right? Little small things like this, right? So look, just want to give you a snapshot of the new one, and I want to give you a snapshot of this price, right? So take a look. All right, so that's the new one. Sealed things that comes with it, right? Just a little glimpse of the brand new one because you saw the old one on the picture, okay? All right, EGR cooler, right? All right, and so also want you to feast your eyes on this right here, right? There it is. $1,200. That's a credit and a deduction there. So it's $1,200 plus the 32 plus the 27, right? All right, and then invoice total right there, $1,360, right? All right, so don't want to scare y'all with that, but you know, that's what it costs to run in this business. That's why you got to take care of your money. That's why you got to budget. That's why you got to go get it when it's there. So when it's time to do stuff like this, you ain't flinching, you ain't fretting, you ain't tripping, you ain't scratching your head, pulling your hair out. You just go and pay for it, get the truck back up, go to work, right? All right, so look, that's all I got for y'all today, man, on a Wednesday, wet Wednesday. Finna head back to Baton Rouge, drop it off at the mechanic house, and I'm headed to the house. I've done my part, wait on the mechanic to get it ready. It's almost 11, so it'll probably be tomorrow morning, sometime before he finishes. All right, I'm not tripping, and then, you know, not that it's a good thing, but this actually happened on a wet week because we haven't done anything Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Worked one night, Monday night, but I haven't lost anything. Could have worked that truck probably Monday night, but other than that, I haven't lost anything because we haven't done anything because of the weather. So one of the things you can take comfort in that if you do break down, you break down on a wet week, pardon me, you ain't lost nothing no way, right? So I'm chilling, right? So I'm just trying to be ready for tomorrow night. We can get Friday, we can get Saturday, we can get Sunday in, and guess what? I'm going to still make a decent week, Lord say yes, right? All right, so look, man, again, I'm out of here. If this video has been valuable to you, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share this video, hit that notification bell. Country CEO, Baton Rouge bound. I'm gone.